Lee, get the thing on me! Ah!
As I lay there in shock, I wondered to myself, did I push the envelope too far?
See here, okay? All right. There's a cut on his foot here. You want to take a look at this? Yeah, cut on his foot, some on his hand. You all right there? Yeah. Some on his elbow. He's breathing up. You all right?
Yeah, glass dripping off.
Pretty good, buddy.
Yeah!